In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix cross-platform play currently disabled on the Xbox One. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you are getting an error message similar to this one that I'm showing you on screen, when you open Fortnite on your Xbox One, fixing it is super simple. All that you have to do is alter some specific settings related to crossplay on your Xbox One settings. So go back to the home screen of your console, and in there you will be able to access the settings. When you go over to the settings of your Xbox One, the first thing that you have to do is go to the Online Safety and Family category. So select General and then Online Safety and Family. Afterwards, go to Privacy and Online Safety and select the Xbox Privacy. Now, you will be able to set up between child defaults, teen defaults, and adult defaults. I recommend that you choose adult defaults. This is going to pick the best preset possible, and it's also going to allow you to see all of the details and customize the settings. So choose adult defaults, and once you are done, go over to view details and customize. Finally, go down to communication and multiplayer, and now you will be able to find the relevant options to manage crossplay on your Xbox One and make sure that you are allowed to play Fortnite on that console. The single most important option is going to be this one that I've highlighted. You can communicate outside of Xbox with voice and text, and also other options to play outside of Xbox Live. Just make sure that they are all enabled. Usually you will be able to choose between allow or block, or everybody, friends only, etc. So make sure that they are set to everybody and allow, and you will be good to go. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix cross-platform play currently disabled Xbox One. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.